Today, I'm sharing some of my favorite Cirque Colors shades. Hi friends, I'm starting a new Etsy Spotlight series where I share beautiful nail brands that inspire my next manicure and beauty brands too. For today's Spotlight, we are looking at Cirque Colors. When I first started exploring their shop, what caught my attention was how creative their nail polish collections are. Their colors and nail art supplies have so much personality, and I was so excited to get this in to show you what I ordered. One thing I love about discovering brands on Etsy is that you find colors that feel a little different from what you see everywhere else. When looking through their Etsy shop, I loved seeing how much variety there is. They had over 100 nail polishes, and it was hard to pick. There are classic colors, playful shades, seasonal collections, and polishes that really show personality. I also love how they show some swatchings in their listings. A bottle can look beautiful, but seeing the polish on the nail gives you a much better idea of the color, the finish, and how it catches the light. So I really appreciate that they take the time to show the videos. These are the colors I picked, and I'll swatch them out for you so you can see what they look like. And there is also a surprise color that I ordered that changes color with temperature. So I thought that was pretty cool. This one is called Sour Punch. And then Coffee Talk is a nice brown shade that I think would be great for fall. By the way, I'll leave the link in their shop in the comments and description. Ordering from my link will help keep my channel going, so thank you. Next is Isola, which has some pretty speckles in it. Here is Cannabis, which is a beautiful green shade. It's actually a cat eye polish. The nice thing about this one is that it's a regular nail polish, so you don't need a cure light. So, which shade is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comments. And here is the surprise polish. It's called Tequila Sunrise, and it changes color. I'll show you exactly what I mean after I do this swatch. Okay, ready? Here it goes. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos just like this. See you next time.